In this section, you're going to learn how to build a simple web application using a super popular web framework called Django. I love their tagline, the web framework for perfectionists with deadlines, and that's absolutely true. If you're a perfectionist and want to build a real enterprise web application that is fast, secure, and scalable, Django is your best friend. Here's some of the popular websites that are built with Django, like Instagram, Spotify, YouTube, Washington Post, Dropbox, and so on. So in this section, we're going to use Django to build a simple imaginary video rental application called Vidly. So here we have a list of movies. Each movie has properties like title, genre, number in stock, and daily rental rate. We can click on each movie to see more details. Now, I know this is not a fascinating looking application because our focus in this section is not to build a full-featured application that looks fancy. We just want to learn how Django works. So I'm going to walk you through the process of building applications with Django. So in this application, we have these two pages. We also have an API that is available at API/movies. So this API returns the list of our movies as JSON. Now, if you're not familiar with APIs, don't worry, you're going to learn everything from scratch. So in this section, we'll build this application and more importantly, deploy it to a cloud platform called Heroku. So you will see the process of building a simplified web application from A to Z. Are you excited? I hope you are, and let's get started.